First, you will open Google Chrome. Then you will write here Google AdSense login and press enter. Then you will click on the first link. Now you can see here your payments are currently on hold because you have not verified your address. So today I'm gonna show you how to verify your address without entering the PIN code. So if I click here on verify, you can see if I go on resend PIN, it's saying we cannot resend your PIN at this time. Actually, when you request for PIN 3 times, then after that you cannot ask for a PIN. Usually the PIN is not received by the post. So we are having that type of problem, and a lot of people are having this problem. So how to verify address without PIN, that I'm going to show you. So simply click here on learn more. Then you need to scroll all the way down here, and you can see here there are 2 options here, problems with PIN and PIN troubleshooter. So here you need to click PIN troubleshooter. Then they will ask you certain question. So first you need to click on yes. Then they ask you, have you received the PIN? Obviously we didn't receive the PIN, that's why we are working here. So just click on no. And then again you need to write yes. And then there is an option contact us. You need to click on this. So now you have these fields you need to fill to verify your PIN without your address. So here are these options. So first you need to write your name. Your name should be same as it is in your AdSense and also on your ID card or whatever thing you are using for verification. Then your email address, which is linked with the Google AdSense. Make sure to write your correct email address here. Then you have your AdSense publisher ID. Now how to get this? You need to go back to your Google AdSense account, and then there is an option accounts. These are different tabs here you can see. So click on the account. Then you can see publisher ID. So just copy here. Make sure to copy it properly, completely. And then go back and just right click and paste. Then there is an option submit an attachment. So you can see here it's written government issue ID card, your national identity card, or driving license, or any other document like bank statement, telephone bill, or rent receipt on which your address, your name and address is properly mentioned. One thing you need to be very careful and particular about, that whatever address you have put in Google AdSense, that must be on your ID card. On the contrary, if you have an address on your ID card, make sure to change in Google AdSense, because Google will verify, YouTube persons will verify both the addresses and your name, and if it is not matching, then obviously they will not verify. So make sure to change in Google AdSense, because obviously it won't be easy to change it in your national ID card or bank statement, but in Google AdSense it's easy to change the address. So just click on choose file here, and I'll select the front and back of my driving license. So first I'm taking the front picture, and then I choose file again and click on the back picture. And now since I have selected both the pictures, my publisher ID is there, email address and name is there. So I'll just simply click on submit here. So now you can see here that the form has been submitted to AdSense support, and we will try to get back to you within 24 hours. So it usually asks for 24 hours, but sometimes it does in 20 minutes and sometimes in more time. So I got an alert. So let's see, let me check my Gmail. So you can see my email here that thank you for contacting the AdSense support team, a specialist investigating your issue, and will reply as soon as possible. So you see immediately I got the message, and by the time I got another alert, and it's a very quick alert. So let's see the second mail. Oh wow, very quickly they have done it. So you see, thanks for sending your proof of identity. I'm happy to let you know that fulfill the address verification requirement for AdSense. Wow, it's done really quickly. So you have learned how easily you can verify your address without putting the PIN. And now if we go to our AdSense account, you can see here that your billing address has been verified. So you see how easy it is to verify your address without the PIN. If this video is helpful for you, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this channel with your friends and family and colleagues, as I upload informative videos every week. And if you have any sort of query, don't hesitate to put comment. I'll be helping you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.